Hey, how's it going, David? It's Devin. I just got off the phone with Shana. Thank you so much for taking the time to click on this video. I'm just going to really briefly show you 3 things I found on your website that you can fix so you can start beating advanced air, because these guys come up #1 when customers type in air conditioning repair Fort Myers FL. You're probably wondering why I'm making this video for you. It's really simple. A lot of business owners are so busy running their business, they don't have time to learn how to make the internet bring them more business. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. So I give away these free attack plans. Some people call me back, some people do this themselves. Whatever you want to do is okay with me. My goal is just to educate you. I'm going to talk about 3 things today: content, backlinks, and citations. And I wanted to mention that you have a really beautiful website, especially your logo and this photo you've got going on here. Everything from a design point of view is really beautiful. What Google cares mostly about is this stuff right here, all this content that your customers can read, and they want to see a lot of it. So the average website on the front page of Google has about 2,000 words, while you have 1,320. Is that right? Yeah, 1,320. Your main competitor, Advanced Air, if we take a look at how many they only have 385. So even though they don't have as much as you, or they don't have as much content than you still want to get to that 2,000 word mark to be considered an authority, and I'll show you in my next tip how to beat them. But first step is get yourself to 2,000 words. Last quick little tip, this is called a keyword. It's when a phrase somebody searches into Google to find your business. You want to put these inside of your content. So if I go and look, you don't have that anywhere on your page. So when you write those 2,000 words, I would add in air conditioning repair Fort Myers FL a couple times. That's tip #1. Tip 2 is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website on the internet is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. This is important. Google's like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy companies vouching for you, but they want to see relevant links. So you're going to get a lot more power if you have another like HVAC company linking to you versus like if you had Pizza Hut linking to you. Google knows you're not a pizza company. The tool I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool. You don't have to use it. There's free tools out there. Just Google backlink checker, you'll find it. But it says you have 200 websites linking to you, while Advanced Air has 1,730 linking to them. I know it sounds like a daunting task. It's actually really easy to beat them. Just go look at all the websites that are linking to them, visit these websites, and put links on these websites back to your page just like they did. Most of the time, you just have to create a profile and put a link in your profile. Sometimes you can just put a comment somewhere on the website. Sometimes you hit contact us and email the owner. But if you follow those 2 tips by having more backlinks and more content than them, that's how you take this #1 spot organically. If you want to be #1 in the ads, you just need to bid higher than your competitors. Let me know if you have any questions on that. But the last place I'm going to show you, and really the best place to show up, is right here in the map pack. Getting here requires having more citations than your competitors, and a citation is anywhere where your name, address, and phone number is listed in different directories. A directory is a website that allows you to list your business's information, such as like, Yelp and Yext and Yellow Pages. So I'd figure out what directories Penguin Air is in. I'd put myself on those same ones and add a bunch more on top. If they were in 150 directories, I'd be listing myself in like 300. And that's all I've got for you, David. I hope you found this informative and helpful. I'll try to keep it short and to the point for you. As a quick recap, you want 2,000 words on this homepage, and you want keywords inside of that content. You want to put you want to have more websites linking to the Advanced Air. I would just copy them, and then put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than Penguin Air. And if you follow these 3 tips, it's how you become #1 across all of Google. So I recommend you get started with this right away, because it does take time to implement all this. And the sooner you get started, the sooner you start profiting off of your work. If you have any questions whatsoever, give me a call at any time. My phone number is right down here at the bottom right. I'd be happy to answer any questions you may have. I look forward to hearing your feedback on this information. I appreciate you watching this video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much, David. Bye.